Hi guys, welcome back to another video of the EXPLIoT video series. My name is Apar and I'm an IoT security bandit at EXPLIoT. So in the previous video we saw what if while pen testing your device, you get your hands on to the AWS-IoT certificates and key. So basically how you can use those along with the EXPLIoT framework plugins in order to analyze the communication between the device and the AWS cloud using the plugin which was mqtt.aws.sub or the subscribe plugin, or test with malicious telemetry data using the plugin which was mqtt.aws.pub or the publish plugin. So that demonstration was more of where there was just your client side certificate authorization only. So this video is going to be a continuation of that video, and in this video we are assuming there is your MQTT user authentication based on top of that server authorization that we saw in the last video, or in terms of AWS you can call it IAM authentication based on top of the certificate authorization. Alright, so before I get into the demonstration, you need to have AWS CLI installed and configured on your system. So now I'll get into the demonstration. On the left I have the subscribe and on the right I have the publish. So I'll not go through all the arguments, I'll show only the arguments that are important from your pen test perspective here, which is you have, I'm already assuming that you have the AWS IAM user and password from your pen test. So I'll quickly copy this command. So here you have to take care of a couple of additional arguments. So first one is -u, which is basically your IAM username. So the username that you have got from your pen test, you have to use -u and then you have to input your username. So I'll input mine, and -w for the password. Alright, now I'll run both of them simultaneously. So I'll set up my publish as well. Again -u for the username that you have got, and -w for the password. So I'll publish and subscribe at the same time. So as you can see, it has it was using the authentication which was for username and the password displayed on the screen, and as you can see we have got our message which was 90 degrees Celsius on the topic temperature. Alright, yeah, so that was pretty much it for this video. I showed you how you have to use the additional arguments that are required for the IAM authentication based on top of your certificate authorization. So you can log on to our website which is www.exploit.io. You can check out the cool hardware that I'll be showing in the coming video. To refer to the documentation, you can head on to exploit.readthedocs.io. For all the latest news and updates regarding the EXPLIoT framework, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. The links are on the screen. You can directly hit the subscribe button of our channel, hit the like as well, post a good comment. That basically motivates us to put out good IoT security related content for you guys. So that was it for this video. See you in the next. Thank you.